Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a fun card with the Spring Corners bundle. Always in your corner. This way and this way. So let's get started. Card base 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2. First layer cardstock 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Layer 1 on top of that is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Then it goes 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. This is the one piece you're going to die cut. And then for the flap part, the front is 2 7/8 square and a 2 3/4 square. And you're going to use this die from the Spring Corners die and the square from the Stylish Shapes dies set. You're going to get a flat 5 1/2 by 1 1/2 scored at 2 3/4, and this template 2 1/2 by 3 3/4 is used to actually cut this this part right here, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's get the measurements here. You can take a screenshot or pause. We'll take this piece and fold along the score line. Even it out. Use the bone folder for a nice crease. We'll go ahead and adhere the first level. It does cover the entire front, so I'm just lining it up. And before I attach this one on top, I'm going to fold the flap and attach it to the back of this first. Centering it, make sure it folds really nicely. And then more adhesive on the back. This is the template I was telling you about for the basic white, and basically the template goes over the two corners here. You're going to line it up, center it, and then run it through 2 times. And this is what you'll get. So we'll go ahead and adhere that. So notice the leaves come out, but the flower doesn't come out. No, I think I missed one little center here. There you go. And then again, the Stylish Shape and the daisy die there. But before I adhere it here, I'm going to stamp it with some peach pie. Always in your corner. Then I can go ahead and adhere it to the square. And then it'll go here, but all you want is adhesive on the flap and not the whole square, so otherwise it won't flap over. So it's approximately, I'm going to say about there to here. So just enough glue. Center there. And that is it. What do you think? Always in your corner, and then it opens up. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to continue getting video tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.